Hi guys, Richard here, Halifax Guitar School. Hope you're all doing alright. This is one of my micro tutorials today from one of my members areas request. We're looking for James. This is Laid. This is a really smart song. Really catchy progression, but it's one repetition of a few chords, but it's really good fun to play. Now, let me talk you through the chords. We're going to be using a C chord. We're also going to be using a C sus4. So all we do to that is add a finger, and this is adding the little finger here underneath the third finger. We've also got a G, and we're going to be using an F major 7. I tend to use the F major 7 with a C bass, where you bob the third finger up and then pop the little finger where the third finger was. If that's a bit awkward, just go with the 3 finger F major 7. Now, rhythm. Now try and get this with a firm positive strike on the C chord. And then on the up strike, as you add that little finger, try and time it so you're going. And then as the little finger comes back off, another up strike. That tends to work for me on that first part. You can add a little more to it, but when you listen to the record, it's a bit more spared, and then you can add rhythm as you go. Okay. So then we're going to bring in the G. Now on that G, you want to come on the up strike as well. So if we put that together. Again. And again. Now then the drums kick in on this F major 7, and try and follow the drums, straight 8s. So that's 2 lots of 8 on the F major 7th and the G. So C, C sus4, back off then to G 3 times, F major 7, G. Now again, that repeats for the whole song, so we all love a repetition song. Again, if you want the sheet of this, click the link below, take you to my page, and you can download the full PDF tab, okay? And if you're here on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. We've hit over 1,000 subscribers now, so that was the first box ticked. So thank you for subscribing and watching. So I'm going to try it one more time. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. And again. And again. You repeat that for the whole song. Please keep watching for my micro tutorials and my full versions of other songs on my YouTube channel. See you again soon for another video. Thank you.